Hello and welcome. Today we have a special story for everyone learning English. This is level 1, so the words are easy and the sentences are slow. Let's begin. Liza is a young lady who lives in a small, quiet town. Every day she learns English, not from big books or difficult lessons, but from her simple daily life. Liza believes that the best way to learn English is to use it naturally. So, every morning when she wakes up, she looks at the window and says in English, "Good morning." Then, she gets out of bed and tells herself, "I will have a good day." While she washes her face and brushes her teeth, she names everything she sees, like water, mirror, toothbrush, and towel. When she goes to the kitchen, she practices English again. She says simple sentences such as, "I am hungry, I want breakfast, and I like bread and milk." As she eats, she tells a short story in her mind about what she is doing. Liza knows that stories help her remember words better. When she walks to school or to the market, she looks at people, cars, trees, and animals. She softly says their names in English. Sometimes she makes very easy sentences like, "The man is walking, the dog is running, and the sky is blue." When she meets her friends, she tries to greet them in English. She says, "Hello, how are you? And nice to see you," even if her friends reply in their own language. Liza is not afraid of making mistakes. In the afternoon, when she helps her mother at home, she practices English again. She says what she is doing, such as, "I am cleaning, I am cooking, or I am helping my mother." When she makes a mistake, she smiles and corrects herself. She understands that mistakes are part of learning. Later, when Liza has free time, she reads very short English stories with easy words. She reads them slowly, repeating sentences again and again. Sometimes she listens to simple English videos or songs for young learners. She listens carefully to the pronunciation and copies the sound. At night, before sleeping, Liza tells herself a short English story about her day. She says things like, "Today I woke up early. I studied, I helped my family, and I am happy." She knows that by using English in her daily life, little by little, day by day, she is learning naturally. She learns without stress, without fear, and without pressure. Liza's story shows young learners that you do not need to travel far or study hard grammar every day to learn English. English is already around you, in your life, in your actions, in your thoughts, and in your stories. If you practice English like Liza by speaking, thinking, and living with the language every day, you will slowly become better, more confident, and more comfortable using English, just like her. As the days pass, Liza slowly becomes more confident with English. She understands that daily life is her classroom. One morning, she decides to practice English while walking to the shop. She says in her mind, "I am walking. I see a shop. I want to buy fruit." When she talks to the shopkeeper, she tries very easy English words like, "Hello, apple, banana, and thank you." Even if her pronunciation is not perfect, she feels proud because she tried. When she comes home, she tells her little brother a short English story about the fruit she bought. She says, "I bought apples. They are red, they are sweet." Her brother listens and smiles. This makes Liza feel happy and motivated. Later in the day, when she studies at home, she uses English to talk about her school subjects. She says, "I like English, I like reading, and I want to learn more." When she does homework, she reads the instructions slowly and repeats the words out loud. Sometimes she writes very short sentences about her day in a notebook, such as, "Today is a good day. I practiced English and I feel happy." When she feels tired, she does not stop learning. She just changes the way she practices. So, she listens to a short English story before resting. She listens again and again until she understands the meaning. At dinner time, Liza practices English by naming the food on the table, like rice, soup, vegetables, and water. She makes simple sentences such as, "I like rice, the soup is hot, and I am full." After dinner, she watches a short English cartoon for young learners. She repeats the easy sentences spoken by the characters, copying their voice and emotion. Before going to bed, Liza looks at the mirror and talks to herself in English. She says, "You are doing well, do not be afraid, and you can learn English." She understands that speaking to herself is also practiced. Day by day, her vocabulary grows naturally, not from memorizing long lists, but from using words in real situations. Her listening improves because she hears English in stories, songs, and daily activities. Her speaking becomes smoother because she speaks a little every day without fear. Liza S. Journey teaches young learners that English is not only a school subject, but a part of life. It's something you can touch, see, hear, and feel by turning daily life into simple English stories. Anyone can learn naturally, slowly, and happily. Just like Liza, she started with small words, simple sentences, and daily habits. Through patience, consistency, and courage, she continues walking forward on her English learning journey with a smile. She knows that every small step matters, and every day is a new chance to practice and grow. In the end, Liza's story teaches young learners a very simple but powerful lesson. Learning English does not need to be hard, scary, or boring. When you use English in your daily life, it becomes natural and friendly, just like a friend who walks with you every day. By doing small things, like naming objects, speaking simple sentences, telling short stories, listening to easy videos, and talking to yourself with kindness, you slowly build confidence without pressure. Liza shows that mistakes are not problems but steps forward. Every mistake means you are learning, and every small practice makes you stronger. If young learners follow Liza's way by using English at home, outside, at school, and in their thoughts, they will see that English is not just a subject but a part of life, with patience, daily practice, and a positive heart. Anyone can learn English naturally, happily, and successfully, one simple story at a time. Thank you for listening. We hope this story helps you on your English learning journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more stories. See you next time.